If the O or B terminal is energized at the wrong time, the heat pump can run in the wrong mode and risk equipment damage. When wiring thermostats for heat pump systems, it is critical to confirm whether O or B is the reversing valve call is energized on cooling or heating for that specific manufacturer and model. Consult the equipment wiring diagram and the thermostat installation manual before making any connections, and mark wires clearly to avoid cross-connection. Use a multimeter to verify which wire energizes when the thermostat calls for cooling and for heating to prevent sending the reverse command at the wrong time. If the system uses a common wire, provide consistent 24-volt reference and avoid swapping the reversing valve lead with compressor or fan control leads. When replacing thermostats, test the system through a full cycle 4 times and observe the reversing valve actuation to ensure it shifts at the correct time and does not remain stuck. If a reversing valve looks stuck, mechanically power down the unit and check for debris or obstruction and coordinate with a licensed technician for replacing a valve coil or actuator. Most issues come from mislabeling or assuming that O is always energized on cooling and B is always energized on heating, which is not true for all manufacturers. Resolve this by confirming manufacturer documentation and testing the actual wire behavior. Another common problem is leaving the reversing valve energized continuously, which can overheat coils or cause short cycling. Fix this by setting thermostat parameters to energize only during active calls and verify control logic. A third concern is energizing compressor circuits when attempting to switch modes, which can cause the compressor to run in the wrong mode and damage the system. Prevent this by isolating and clearly separating reversing valve wiring from compressor contactor circuits and using the thermostat as intended for mode control. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to HVAC and other home systems. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips and learn from real homeowner and tradesperson experiences.